In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use TradingView charts with Exness for analysis. So let's dive right in and explore how you can enhance your trading experience with this integration. First, you'll want to get started by opening your Exness terminal. This is your gateway to accessing all the powerful features provided by Exness. Begin by logging into your Exness account with your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Exness terminal where we'll conduct all our activities today. Now within the terminal, you'll be able to select the TradingView chart. The aim here is to leverage the advanced charting functionalities that TradingView offers, right within the Exness environment. This will allow you to take advantage of the comprehensive tools TradingView is renowned for, without needing to jump between multiple platforms. Once you have the TradingView chart active in your terminal, it's time to customize your chart. This is where the fun begins. With a range of available tools and settings, you can start tailoring your charts to meet your analytical needs. Whether it's applying various indicators, utilizing drawing tools, or tweaking color settings, you can mimic the standalone TradingView platform, allowing for a seamless and familiar user experience. However, while doing all of this, it's important to remember a few key considerations. First and foremost, note that there is no direct login to your Exness account from the TradingView platform when using this feature. This integration serves purely as an analytical tool. It's a powerful addition to your trading toolkit, but doesn't enable you to place trades directly from the TradingView platform through your Exness account. Additionally, this setup primarily functions as an analysis tool only. While you have the charts at your disposal to analyze market trends, remember that it does not provide direct account integration for executing trades. This clarity helps you set the right expectations when using the integration. If placing trades directly via TradingView charts is a priority for you, you'll need to explore other options. TradingView supports a list of brokers that allow direct integration for trading purposes from within the TradingView environment. Checking that list might give you alternatives that cater to such preferences, should you wish to integrate your analysis and trading platforms more seamlessly. That wraps up our tutorial for today. By integrating TradingView charts within the Exness terminal, you gain access to an extensive array of tools for effective market analysis, all while keeping your Exness account as the central hub of your trading activities. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial insightful for your trading journey.